Hey. Hi, Thelma. Ooh, telling me about it. Don't get too close. Daddy put a hot wire there. You hungry? You want some lunch? You made a bed over there, huh? This is what she thinks of her new predicament. You're going to be happy with it in there. That's going to be a good... Told you. Sorry. I'm sorry, sweet pie. I'll go get you some lunch, okay? Looks like you need some more water. Goodness. So her belly's dropped. We're just watching her. She got in a fight with one of the other sows, so she lost part of her ear, but it's healing. It's healing good, isn't it? Yes. Tell me about it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Good girl, Mama. So we have a healthy little boy who might have a friend. Claire. Hi, honey. Oh, thank you. Hello. It's a little girl. Hi, honey. So I just got home from work. I came down here to check on her. And you. And Wellow was in labor. So she's our British Guernsey. Her and Ladder came as a couple. This is her leather from last year. Hi, buddy. And there's Daddy over there. Ladder, you gonna be shy? Hi, handsome. I have to fill her bale feeder. What you need, Claire? Hi, thank you. I really needed you right up in my face. Hi. Hi. How are you today? That baby looks good. Where'd she go? So, I've been having the milk clear because she just has so much milk that she just gets too full. This is Thelma. Right, Big Mama? And her belly has dropped. So we put her over here by herself. Oh, can't see her vulva really. But I'll watch that too. But also, every day I'll check her for milk, see if she's got anything coming in yet. Usually we found if they have milk, they'll usually have babies within 24 hours. Hi you guys. I know it's muddy. It's finally stopped raining. Finally. So we're going to be thankful for that. But she keeps digging a hole over here. And we keep filling it in. She tends to, they want to have their babies in a hole, and they tend to squish them when they're in a hole. So we try not to let them be in a hole. But let's take a walk over and check on that baby goat. How's everybody doing? Huh? He's doing so good. First 24 hours. Hi, buddy. Hi. Yeah. I don't think that hay is meant for you. What are you doing in there? What are you doing? It's quite the stretch. What is your name gonna be? You need to find her a name, Claire.